Alright guys, we are gonna do an eggtopsy today. We had a failed, this is a lot of eggs. This is not normal, but we are using a new incubator. So we're gonna figure out if the problem is the incubator or is it the eggs or what's going on, okay? So it's really important that you do an eggtopsy. Well, we do. And these eggs are marked, so I know exactly what pens they came from. I know what exactly they came from, and also which not just egg, but which incubator it was in. Okay, so the most important ones for me right now are these olive eggers. I'm gonna sniff them to make sure I don't crack open a bad egg, and I want to see whether it is fertilized or did it die or what's going on. Okay, so bear with me here as I sniff through all of them. It does not smell so far that we have a rotten egg. It's also normal to have some eggs not hatch. You don't always get 100%, but you know, we always get 90% or more, so we don't waste our time. We want to make sure that our roosters are doing their job too. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna crack them open and see what's inside. Probably not fertilized. Most likely not fertilized. There was no blood or anything else. Yep, not fertilized. Not fertilized. Not fertilized. Not fertilized. Okay, so those all came from the same rooster, and none of them are fertilized. So that's my problem is my rooster's not doing his job. Okay, so this one is another one. This one had is fertilized, started to develop, but died. So I got to figure out why. This one is a different source, same looking egg, but different rooster. Also fertilized, had some forming, but died. All right. Oh, that one's kind of reeking. This one is, let's see, not fertilized. This one had some formation, but didn't grow, died early, very early. No. This is not fertilized. Or maybe, I don't know, didn't form. This one died. This one died. It's fully formed, but actually it wasn't. There's still some yolk on it. So it died towards, poor baby. All right, here we go. This is also started forming. Ugh. And it died. That's two. Can't remember how many eggs we had. I'll have to count after when I see the video. Here's another one. This one doesn't look like it was fertilized. This is my cream leg bar. This one also formed, guys, and died. This one formed and died, and it was fully formed. That's three. Ay, ay, ay. What's happening? This one. I know one was gonna be Another one formed and died. That's 4 chicks. And this one also formed and died. So I honestly don't know why they died. I'm gonna have to research. This one is not fully formed. Oh, where was that? It wasn't hardly formed at all. It was starting to form. It looked like it was boiled. It's goopy. But so 4 out of all the eggs had a baby. One of them was actually chirping when I moved it over, because it was the last one. I moved it over, and I don't know if it zipped, I don't know. It never pipped, so I didn't want to be overly excited and pip them out, but they weren't strong enough, I guess. So, poor babies. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.